Bullish Digibyte cost predictions for 2030 are between 4 cents and 7 cents. Examiners of the market, other than DGB, think it could hit 3 cents by 2025. The price prediction for the negative Digibyte market in 2023 is $0. Digibyte presentation: many parts of the blockchain are being built to make up for the things that Bitcoin and Ethereum don't do well. The blockchains of the trailblazer rate of speed, the exchange's flexibility with time and other factors are seen as important parts of coin events. Digibyte is a faster blockchain network than Bitcoin. It aims to solve the problems of on-chain instability and high transaction costs while acting as a medium for agreements. Digibyte focuses on the certification area by providing a highly secure platform for degrees and certificates while still allowing users to execute and re-establish information. We'll give an overview of the Digibyte biological system, the great things it has done in the past, and what it can do in the future. What does it mean? Digibyte is an open-source network that uses the confirmation of work method to provide a platform for resource creation. It solves the Bitcoin convention's security and flexibility problems. The confirmation of work part means that DGB uses the idea to create new currencies and resources on the computer using 5 calculations instead of the 1 calculation that most other blockchains use. Digibyte uses AutoCrypt scan script SHA-256 and Qubit to stop a process called application explicit incorporated circuit that emphasizes security from happening, which is when a lot of mining is done in one place. This company has shown that it can offer a better alternative to the next blockchains. Works in 3 layers that are separate from each other. The first layer handles agreements between centralized applications and brilliant deals. Token issue record approval and resource digitization. The middle layer is for the public record, which acts as a public pipe for the transport of the local token DGB through the Digibyte blockchain. The last layer refers to the convention, which holds the organization's products and hubs and handles chain communication and decentralization. With the security features came a new technology called the Digibyte blockchain, which makes it possible to make a new client sign and convention called the DigiID. This blockchain security conference lets people use cryptography to get close enough to their apps and sites. Digibyte was started by Jared Tate in October 2013 and officially started block mining tasks called Beginning Block in January 2014 as a Bitcoin hard fork. Recently, it released an extremely safe definitive guide that focuses on network security and hopes to make the local community and financial backers happy with the presentation. Digibyte Send-off Digibyte version 8 is a big project that is going to push the token to the top of the system. The above step and update have helped a lot of financial backers and organizations among firms and also allowed the token to be listed on major exchanges like Coinbase Finance and so on. It has also helped the flow of money into the system as more receipts are used by customers. This stage has give as of right now, a Digibyte is worth nothing. DGB has changed 2.38% so far, and there have been 3,512,799 trades. Digibyte is currently ranked 182 among all cryptographic currencies, with a market value of $152,666,400 Our cost estimate gauges utilize constant Digibyte market information, and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Digibyte Value Forecast 2023. From some points of view, Digibyte is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The DGB price gauge for 2023 predicts a huge increase in the last part of the year, possibly up to 1 cent. Will be steady, but there shouldn't be any big drops. An average price drop of 1 cent is very ambitious, but it's possible sooner rather than later given the planned joint efforts and improvements. DGB should be worth 1 cent at its base. 2024 out of 2024 Digibytes will be worth 2024 Digibyte. We think that the price of DGB will soon be more than 2 cents because there is a lot of room for growth due to the expected declarations of many new groups and projects. Still, we should wait to see if the DGB's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any positive trades. Bets that take into account how hard it is to predict the market. The base exchange rate for DGB is 1 cent, and the average exchange rate is 2 cents. If the upward trend continues until 2025, the price of a Digibyte could hit 3 cents, which would be good for DGB. If the market goes down, however, the goal may not be reached. In 2025, the lowest price for exchanging DGB is expected to be 2 cents. The price of a DGB coin could stay the same for the next 5 years if Digibyte does a good job of making digital currency fans feel good about the market. Based on our predictions, DGB will be green in 2026. The DGB is expected to hit and beat its record-setting high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth 4 cents, with a base cost of 3 cents and a typical cost of 3 cents. Expectations for the Digibyte value. After a lot of general advice and technical research, we think the DGB price will hit a normal value level of 4 cents by 2027. A base price of 4 cents is expected before the end of the year. Also, the most valuable DGB is worth 5 cents. We expect that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price to around 5 cents in 2028. If DGB manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of 6 cents. If DGB doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could get as low as 5 cents per share. Digibyte price prediction for 2029. While DGB is working to make it easier for companies to communicate with each other, the bullish trend from the past year is expected to continue. The average exchange cost has been set at 6 cents, and the annual price is expected to be close to 7 cents in 2029. By 2030, Digibyte will finally do better than its past ADH values and set a new price level. The base price could be 7 cents, and the highest price could also be 7 cents, making the average price 7 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be very unstable, which is one of the many reasons why cost estimating is such a hard job. It makes an honest effort to figure out future sticker prices as accurately as possible, but expectations shouldn't be used as financial advice. By 2031, we expect that cryptographic money will